G'day everyone, it's Chriso. What am I doing here, people? The owners have just asked me could I just do this small splashback for them. I'm doing 2 bathrooms in the house and they just needed their splashback. So I said, yeah mate, no worries at all. So what do? First thing off, I put some primer on. Everyone, it helps the glue stick to paint, stick to dust. So you grab anything you can. Just to get on a bit. I don't want to put it, do it with a roller and then I've got to fluff around washing out my roller and that sort of thing. No, I just do it with a rag. It just binds the dust if there's any dust, and I know there's dust. There's always dust when you're tiling, there's always dust. Now look at that, done. 5 minutes, if that. Oh, might have stuffed that tile, but it's all good. I'll show you my set out, what I'm doing. If I go against that architrave, and then I've got a cut there, I'm going 2 tiles high. DIYs. That's why I drew a line across there. So I didn't go past my height with my waterproof. If I go against that architrave, allow for my grout line. I'm just pacing it out. I'll show you what I'm about in a sec. There. It works out to exactly a full tile against the mirror splashback. It's a young couple I'm doing this house for, and they're living with the parents. They're going to be moving into it soon, once I've done the bathrooms. This whole kitchen he bought on eBay for a pretty reduced cost, which is pretty cool. It fits in there nicely, but it only came with 1 splashback. Oh, pull your tummy in, Chriso. So yeah, that's it's going to work out well. So I'm starting with a full tile. I'll use another tile, not with blue all over it, and that one. Nah. So guys, let's start off with marking that there. Mark it there and there. I'll just zap outside and cut this and come back to you. Okay, we'll see you soon. Stay tuned. lean on in. My next, I'll be showing you how I'm doing this. I've got to set myself up. I haven't got that sorted yet. So I'll be back soon. Hooroo!